Imagine a world where the extinct woolly mammoth roams freely once again. Could this become a reality with the power of genetic engineering? This is not a premise ripped from the pages of a science fiction novel, but a question that is being seriously considered by researchers and scientists worldwide. The woolly mammoth, a majestic creature that once roamed the icy tundra, has been extinct for thousands of years. Yet the idea of its revival stirs both awe and wonder. The concept of reintroducing an extinct species, especially one as iconic as the woolly mammoth, is a testament to the incredible potential of genetic engineering. It's a topic that captivates the public, sparks lively debates, and fuels the curiosity of scientists who are eager to push the boundaries of what is scientifically possible. So, strap in and prepare to embark on a journey into the realm of the extraordinary. Join us as we traverse the fascinating world of genetic engineering and the potential for resurrecting the woolly mammoth. The concept of de-extinction, or bringing back an extinct species, is no longer confined to the realm of science fiction. It represents a fascinating convergence of paleontology, genomics, and biotechnology, made possible through advancements in genetic engineering. To understand de-extinction, imagine it as a complex jigsaw puzzle, where each piece represents a fragment of the creature's genetic code. The challenge lies in assembling these pieces to form the complete picture, or genome, of the extinct species. Now this is where CRISPR-Cas9, a revolutionary gene editing tool, comes into play. CRISPR-Cas9 is a bit like a molecular pair of scissors, allowing scientists to snip out and replace pieces of DNA with remarkable precision. With this tool, scientists can correct genetic defects, introduce desirable traits, and even overcome the challenges posed by incomplete or degraded DNA samples from extinct species. For the woolly mammoth, a significant milestone has been the sequencing of its genome. A team of dedicated scientists painstakingly pieced together the mammoth's genetic blueprint, providing a roadmap for its potential resurrection. However, sequencing the genome is only the first step. Next comes the even more challenging task of creating a woolly mammoth embryo. One method being explored involves using Asian elephants, the closest living relatives of the woolly mammoth, as surrogate mothers. This approach would require modifying the elephant's egg cells with the mammoth's genetic material, a delicate process that pushes the boundaries of what we currently understand about reproductive biology. The journey to recreating the woolly mammoth is a testament to the power and potential of genetic engineering. But as with any journey, there are still many unknowns to navigate and obstacles to overcome. As we venture into this new frontier, we must tread carefully, guided by a deep respect for nature and a commitment to ethical scientific practice. While the scientific potential is thrilling, we must also consider the ethical implications of de-extinction. This venture into the unknown territory of reviving an extinct species like the woolly mammoth using genetic engineering is not without its ethical quandaries. Firstly, we must grapple with the question of whether it's right to play with the laws of nature. To reintroduce an extinct species into an environment that has significantly changed since its last existence could have unforeseen and potentially drastic ecological impacts. The mammoth's original habitat, the icy tundra, has warmed considerably since their extinction. Could the mammoths adapt to these new conditions, or would they struggle, leading to a second extinction? Moreover, we must consider the welfare of the surrogate species, in this case, the Asian elephant. Is it ethical to potentially put an endangered species at risk for the sake of reviving an extinct one? These ethical concerns underscore the need for public engagement and transparency in decision-making. De-extinction is not a matter for scientists alone to decide. It's a global issue, touching on our shared heritage, environment, and future. Therefore, it demands a global conversation. We must ensure that the dialogue around de-extinction includes diverse perspectives, fostering a culture of understanding and mutual respect among all stakeholders. Transparency is also essential in this process. The public has a right to know about the methods, risks, and potential benefits of de-extinction. Scientists and policymakers must commit to maintaining open lines of communication, providing accurate, understandable information to the public, and actively seeking their input. Lastly, we must consider the potential for a slippery slope. If we resurrect one extinct species, where do we draw the line? Could this open the door to the resurrection of other species, leading us down a path of unforeseen consequences? The ethical dimensions of de-extinction remind us that scientific progress must always be balanced with responsibility. As we stand on the brink of this exciting new frontier in genetic engineering, let us not forget our duty to act responsibly, considering not just the scientific feasibility, but also the ethical implications of our actions. For in the end, it is not just about bringing back the woolly mammoth, but about shaping the future of our planet. The potential of de-extinction technology extends far beyond the resurrection of the woolly mammoth. This revolutionary science could be a game changer in many areas, giving us tools to address some of the most pressing challenges in our world today. Imagine using de-extinction to help endangered species. We could potentially restore lost biodiversity and even reintroduce extinct ecosystems. This could have profound implications, not just for the survival of individual species, but for the health and balance of our planet as a whole. It could offer us a way to slow, halt, or even reverse some of the damage we've done to Earth's flora and fauna. But the potential applications don't stop there. De-extinction technology could also help us take on global challenges like disease and climate change. By understanding and manipulating genetic material, we might be able to develop crops that are more resistant to pests and diseases, or that can thrive in harsh environmental conditions. This could help us feed growing populations and mitigate the impacts of climate change on our food systems. In the fight against disease, genetic engineering could open up new avenues for treatment and prevention. We might be able to engineer disease-resistant organisms, or even use genetic techniques to develop new vaccines and therapies. This could revolutionize medicine and healthcare, bringing hope to millions of people around the world. Of course, these are just potential applications. The real-world implications of de-extinction and genetic engineering are likely to be complex and unpredictable. But the potential is there, and it's exciting. We are standing on the brink of a new era in science, one that could reshape our world in ways we can only begin to imagine. The power of genetic engineering holds promise for not just resurrecting the past, but also preserving our future. It's a tool that, if used wisely and responsibly, could help us build a better, more sustainable world for generations to come. The journey to resurrecting the woolly mammoth presents us with a unique combination of scientific potential and ethical considerations. As we've explored today, the science of de-extinction is no longer a realm of science fiction. It's here, unfolding before our eyes, powered by groundbreaking technologies like CRISPR-Cas9. This gene-editing tool is our key to unlock the mysteries of extinct DNA, offering a glimmer of hope for the woolly mammoth's return. Yet, the road to de-extinction isn't just about cracking the code of ancient DNA. It's a path intertwined with ethical dilemmas and responsibilities. We must weigh the excitement of scientific discovery against the potential ecological impact of reintroducing an extinct species into a world that's moved on without them. It's a delicate balance, one that demands thoughtful and transparent dialogue. Beyond the mammoth, the implications of de-extinction technology extend far and wide. This isn't just about resurrecting a lost species. It's about harnessing the power of genetic engineering to address broader global challenges. It's about conservation efforts, restoring endangered species, reintroducing lost ecosystems, developing disease-resistant crops, and even combating climate change. So, as we delve deeper into the mysteries and marvels of genetic engineering, it's crucial that we stay informed and engaged. Participate in discussions, ask questions, and challenge the norms. It's through this collective curiosity and responsibility that we'll navigate the ethical maze surrounding de-extinction. As we stand at the cusp of this new era of genetic engineering, let us proceed with curiosity, responsibility, and a commitment to the betterment of our planet. Remember, science isn't just about pushing boundaries. It's about understanding and respecting them, too. Let's support responsible scientific research and promote the ethical use of genetic engineering, not just for the resurrection of the woolly mammoth, but for the betterment of all life on Earth.